Hi guys, so there's a bunch of different ways on how to cleanse yourself and protect yourself. One easy way is with some holy water. Give yourself a nice little blessing smudge. You can make your own. I'll film a video for you guys in the future. So you could use holy water, a Tibet bowl, incense, bath salts. You could use a bunch of different things. I'm just gonna say some of them that you guys can use to help cleanse yourself. So yeah, you guys can use bath salts, sage, use the smoke from the incense and the sage, get cleansing incense and herbs like Palo Santo wood. Give yourself a nice blessing smudge. Recite your prayer and affirmations. There's many great ones out there. You guys can see more on my personal Instagram at Eric Yuri down below in the comment section. And yeah, I hope this gives you guys a little bit of inspiration on how to cleanse yourself, to get rid of all that negative energy surrounding you from work and people sending it to you. One easy way, if you think you have a curse on you, is to put one hand over your head and one hand on your heart, and then you just say no one has power over your full name. So no one has power over Eric Edward Dimitri. So you just put like your hand on your head, on your heart, say that a couple times, believe in your personal power within you, connect with God, channel his power, and boom, there you guys go. You're going to be all nice and energized, and when you believe it and state it, no one really does have power over you. I hope this is a little bit helpful with the whole protection week, and yeah, I hope this guys really helped you out. I love you all. Blessed be. Merry meet, merry part, and merry meet again. 7 chakras clear and bright, cleanse the soul and feed the light. Giving myself a little smudge. Got some fun prayers for you guys to read down below.